Alright guys, YouTube, the '06 Mitsubishi Outlander, doing the cabin air filter. Here's a new one. Got it off of Amazon. It's directional, so you want the arrow pointing down. Same with this, the arrow pointing down. I opened up the glove box and then just pushed in on the sides right here. Just right here to push in to get it on both sides out of the slot. And there's some play in there. And after you do that, you got this. And then you got two screws, one down here, one up here. These are Phillips. And essentially, you want to do this probably every 5,000 miles or so. They're only like 10 bucks online, shipped. But if you don't do it, your vents, don't work as well. Get more dust in your car and whatnot. And you're making your fan and your HVAC work harder. So I got mine, and look how nasty this is. Oh man, just full of crap. So each fan pretty much is filled with dirt, dust, you name it. So this car has been long overdue, and that's it. You just go in reverse order and you get rid of that. Out with the old and in with the new, where the airflow says down, and go right in there. That's your fan. And looks like we got some extra leaves blowing around I can get. And that's it. You push this back in and you're done. Just put the two screws in and put your glove box back on and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.